Hello.
Hi.
Today we're going to be opening up a box that was sent to us from Gothic Beauty Magazine.
It has been a while since we have done an unboxing on the channel, so I am actually very excited for this one, especially because it's themed around Gothic beauty. It could be like makeup, it could be jewellery, things like that. So I'm really excited to see what they have in the box.
Okay, let's go.
So this is the box here. It did come in a very nice aesthetic black box, but it was ruined by like the 50 million things that it was required to be stuck to it to ship it to Ireland. I've covered this so that I don't dock it.
Can't know our driver's name. It says no name.
So it does come in like a very aesthetic black box. They are on brand with this. I need something to open this tape.
Already we are stuck on opening the box.
Don't imitate this. I'm a professional. Step one complete. We can open the box now. Ready for it? It's also neatly like packaged in here under this.
And it smells good already.
And it smells good. So the first thing that comes in this box that I think makes it worthwhile just for this alone is that every box comes with a print copy of Gothic Beauty Magazine and a digital copy for you to use on like your tablet or your phone, etc. It's really cool. It comes with some like really interesting like articles and fashion things, photo shoots and music.
So far I'm already seeing a lot of makeup inspiration, fashion inspiration, and I feel like it's just, it kind of sticks in your brain more actually seeing it rather than being on your phone for some reason. I don't know, is that just me because my eyesight's bad, but to me I'm like, wow.
This is considerably bigger than your phone.
And it's bigger than the phone.
But I do agree with your point. I think if you're actually physically holding something, reading it, looking at it, as opposed to the disposable nature of phones and technology nowadays, it does kind of like stick in your brain a little bit more, and you can kind of appreciate it more as like the art was intended to be appreciated.
Yeah, because I still love like writing in books and stuff, like rather than writing on my phone. Anything that takes away phone time for me is great. Writing things down help me remember stuff more, and just actually having a physical copy of something helps me. So it's something that I didn't realize until right now seeing all this. It takes me away from stuff that I would be looking at on my phone is like in this magazine. Like it's everything that I would like. We seeing like a lot of Tim Burton stuff, like Beetlejuice and stuff is in there, a lot of artwork, literally everything.
Okay, so next we have the little slip of information that tells us like everything that's in the box. Do you want to ruin it for yourself, or do you
No.
Okay, right.
We'll read that down.
We'll put this down and we'll read it later. To give you a sneak peek of what we're looking at right now, look at the cute little wrapping paper. That's adorable. You can reuse that. So if you're a friend of ours and your birthday comes up and your gift is wrapped in this, you know why. Right, so the first thing I'm randomly picking up is, oh, that's actually really cool.
This must be what smells good.
Oh, this is Voltaire's thing.
No way, that's so cool. I'm like fangirling right now.
So this is cemetery soap, wash away the evil, and it's shaped like a gravestone. The detail on it is really nice. The packaging is really, really nice. I love this design. There was a lot of effort put into this. And if you're wondering, it says the scent is funeral flowers.
Can confirm it does smell like funeral flowers.
It does actually smell like funeral flowers.
I think it's a little bit like lavender.
So that's what I'm going to be smelling like for the next 2 months.
Everything he does is so perfect and aesthetic, and I love all the stuff that he brings out with the little bats and everything, so I'm very happy. Thank you for this.
Okay, randomly grabbing next item. Oh, it's a big one. Oh, okay. This is also extra wrapping.
How can you take out bubble wrap on that?
I don't have it.
I should really say, I should... What?
Lashy doodle.
What's a lashy doodle?
I have to open it with the camera so we can discover what it is at the same time. Oh, it is a makeup palette.
This is actually perfect for me because earlier I said to Conor how I use 3 or 4 different makeup palettes when doing my eyeshadow, because there's a red that's in one palette, a black that's in another, a highlighter that's in another, glitters. Did I already say glitters? Glitters in there's like a lot. And we're going to download soon, and I'm like, I cannot bring 3 eyeshadow palettes with me, so I'm very happy. We're gonna do a test. We're gonna do a little swatch test to see how black is the black and how glittery is the glitter, but we're not gonna go through everything. I've done 3 of them. 3, as people keep telling me to say. So we have a very sparkly black in the middle. This one was the black one. It's a little bit grayish. That's actually good because I kind of need something like that to blend anyways. And then we have the glittery silver here. So I'm definitely going to be using this from now on. I'll keep you updated on how it goes.
Okay, next. I know what this is already just from the feel of it. It is a black lipstick. I'm curious to try, but we're both already wearing black lipstick.
It looks a bit glossy, and you've been asking for glossy lipstick, so that would be weird.
I have. I've been complaining about matte lipstick for too long. I want gloss.
It smells really nice. I can't put my finger on it. Like fruit.
I can put my finger on it.
Smells like fruit. Who's gonna try? Also, this is cute. It's really good size for bringing it out.
Yeah, my current lipstick is too big. It's every time it's in my bag when we go out, it takes up like a lot of space.
I'm gonna do it on me anyway.
I can't tell a massive difference between the one I currently had on and this, but it dried very quickly. It's not sticky and it's a nice size, so that's actually pretty convenient. This is going to be the one that I'll probably end up bringing out with me all the time. Okay, next. A Gothic Beauty sticker. So it's a Gothic Beauty Magazine like logo sticker. It's really nice. Print is really good. I like the shape, and I'm always looking for more stickers to like put on my laptop and stuff like that. So that's handy. Cute, nice. I like it. Next. There's another makeup thing.
I'm peeking.
So the next thing is this eyeliner stamp. I've seen these before. These are really cool, really handy, especially if you are like me, very shaky, you're not very skilled with eyeliner yet, you haven't put in the practice, or like me, you've been using eyeliner for a long time and you still just suck at it. These are a lifesaver for doing like little designs in your makeup. Yeah. And I believe this one is this little Ankh symbol, like the Gothic Beauty Magazine logo symbol. So let's test this out. It's double-sided and I'm like, what do the double sides do? So this is the Ankh, and this side, oh, it's just a regular eyeliner. That's actually really handy. You don't have to swap between like your normal eyeliner and like an Ankh. Let's try it out and see how it works.
I'm gonna do it on my face.
Oh, I don't know, that's a lot of pressure. Okay, you can kind of see it. You can kind of see it. So I think I was pressing it, and I did it on your face too. Oh. I was pressing it down too hard, so the like circle around it is there. But I've figured it out now. I've mastered it. Hold on. So as you can see, they come out pretty well once you figure out like what you're doing with it. These are my early attempts. And these are once I've figured out what it actually is. So that's really handy for like adding something to your makeup, like the way I do crosses here and stuff. It's really handy to be able to just take that and just go onto your face. And also the fact that the other side of it is an eyeliner is really, really good. Then you don't need to swap between using your eyeliner for doing this and then adding to that. You can literally just turn it around, swap and do it. Also, it hasn't smudged. I'm running my finger across it. That is very impressive. That is not smudging. And I'm sweaty right now, so that should definitely be smudging.
Okay, is it my turn now?
Yes, you can pick something out of the box now.
I was like, big long boy. I think they're beeswax candles because they got a little bee and they have like little
honeycomb
little patterns.
I'm like sniffing them to figure out if they're scented. They are not scented. Pretty sure they're like natural beeswax candles, which is always really handy for us because you can't see, but we have a giant shelf and it's full of very, very many candles that we light all the time. So I literally have like a stockpile of these for my candle holders. So this is a great addition to the collection. Okay. Oh wow.
Necklace.
That's really cool.
A graveyard necklace. So I think this is like kind of a graveyard theme going on with the soap and the necklace.
Spooky. The artwork in there is so nice and the frame is beautiful. My only issue with this, I would say, if I had to like pick something, is I don't really like it's like a black rope kind of band for this, and I'm more of like a silver jewelry person. But I suppose with a black frame on this, it might look kind of off if you had like a silver chain on it. I'm gonna add this to your outfit for this evening. Wow, beautiful. It actually, yeah.
Why we keep saying things at the same time?
We're just so in sync.
So alike.
Actually, I kind of agree now with the black chain on it.
I like
rope chain, because it helps hide it better in your outfit. I think this is really, really nice with this outfit, actually. Perfect.
Yeah, I feel like it was actually missing this because today I was looking for a necklace and I couldn't find one that suited. As you all know, myself and Conor love taking cemetery walks and you love crows, so I think it's a perfect necklace we will share.
You get it on Mondays, Wednesdays, Fridays. I get it Tuesday, Thursday, Saturdays, and Sundays we'll flip a coin. Ah, perfect. Because I'm missing a ring today.
No.
You got the necklace.
You're missing a ring. I have one.
Fine.
We'll see who it fits. It's like Cinderella.
Well, Cinderella this
Goth
ring
Cinderella.
Right now. It's a little silver bat ring. It's very, very cute. And it looks like it's just sitting on your finger. How cute. And yeah, it is adjustable, so it could fit either one of us. But it does look kind of small, so I think I'll have to concede this one.
Perfect fit.
Wow, gorgeous.
Also, I recently been wanting to get a bat tattooed on my arm that looks like it was hugging me, and I couldn't figure out where to get it, so now I have this for now. I'm happy. I'm guessing that's the noise a bat makes. I haven't heard one in so long. It's been a while since we've seen some real life bats.
Deprived of real life bats.
Maybe this will give me good luck. Next time I go out and I'll wear this and we will see a little bat.
Handy that it's adjustable as well, because you can just like change fingers really easily. Those are my favorite kind of rings, because all my rings get like too small for me over time, or if we're like out and it's really hot.
Oh, if it's hot, yeah.
Yeah, I love having the adjustable rings, because then you can just kind of loosen it a bit and you don't feel like your fingers are gonna fall
I'm
off.
afraid to like adjust it fully. I'm just like keeping it on the finger that fits for now.
Surely we're like near the end of this box now. We have to be.
It's like Mary Poppins bag, we'll just keep going. A lucky dip that never ends. I think I found one more.
Yeah, there's definitely at least one more.
Which is something that I always need more of. You can never have enough eyebrow brushes, and fine details like today, like these lines, this will be great for those. It's really, really soft.
So this is the same brand as the makeup palette, Lashy Doodle. Brush is actually, as Lynn said, very, very soft.
That's good, because my other one is actually really hard, so this might be able to do like a little like feathered like type of eyebrows.
That's good. We can try it out once we're using the makeup palette. And again, always handy to have double-sided, because you need a lot of brushes when you're doing this.
Unfortunately.
Camera died. Lynn's wearing glasses now. Angle is probably entirely different.
Lighting's probably also different.
No idea where we left off. Very sorry. So let's check back on the information sheet that we got at the start of the video to make sure we didn't miss anything and understand everything that we got. You're wearing glasses. You can read. Look at you. You can read now. I don't have to do all the reading.
Still can't read.
What up? I'm Jared.
So the first thing it tells us about is the Gothic Beauty Magazine. Ours is number 52. It says featured in this issue include Bulgaria handmade gowns, mini opal Beetlejuice official fashion, Gothic wedding toppers, the Magic Fashion Trade Show, history of battle vests. I know a lot of my friends will be interested in that. So interviews and also book reviews and music reviews. So pretty much everything goth and gothic that you could imagine is in this magazine. I'm very excited to have a read later before bed. So next it says we got the Lashy Doodle double-sided ink marker eyeliner with the ink stamp.
Check. We did get that one. It is all over my hand. It does work. Very happy.
Then we got the Lashy Doodle brush full-size gothic red makeup palette.
Can confirm. Brush, palette.
And it says you can find additional excellent and unique cosmetics at lashydoodle.com, but this palette is exclusive to Gothic Beauty Box supporters.
Oh, that's really cool. So if you want this makeup palette, you can only get it in the Gothic Beauty Box.
Then it says a pair of black beeswax taper candles by On Fire.
So we were right. They are beeswax candles.
Matte black liquid lip paint by Dark Asteroid. Oh, it's matte.
Yeah, it is a matte.
We were just waiting for it to dry.
It looked glossy at first.
Then it says bat ring as a celebration of bat conservation.
She's so adorable and tiny. The Raven cameo necklace from Eerie Baubles, which you can see Lynn modelling right here. Ooh. And the Funeral Flower Cemetery soap by the Lair of Voltaire. He actually has more gravestone shaped soaps on his website in 4 different gothic scents. And that's everything in the box. So that's good. We didn't miss anything. They actually didn't include that they gave us a sticker with it as well. That wasn't on the list. So free sticker. Now that we are finished the unboxing, what did you think of the box?
I think the box is great. I'm very excited to read the magazine and I'm very happy with all the items. Also, I think it's great that they're supporting all of these businesses as well.
They are all gothic creators and businesses that they're supporting here. So that is really nice to see. As I said earlier, I think it's definitely worth it just for the magazine alone. This is really, really cool. If I had to pick an item from the box that I would say is my favorite, aesthetically it's gotta be the cemetery soap. I just love it, the box, the aesthetic, the detail in it. It's so cool. There are definitely other things in the box that are far more practical, like the lipstick and the eyeliner that I will be using like a lot more often.
The eyeshadow.
But just aesthetically, this is the one that sort of impressed me the most. And I'm really excited to try out the makeup palette and see what that is like. What would you pick as your favorite item from the box?
Definitely the bat ring. I just think that's so cute.
That's fair.
And I just was like, it brought me so much joy. A little bat hugging your finger. What more could you want?
I do also love the necklace as well. It is really, really nice. The detail on it is really nice. But again, the soap wins. Hands down for me.
I think the most handy thing is going to be the makeup palette though, because we actually genuinely really needed a small makeup palette.
So thank you so much to Gothic Beauty Magazine for sending this box to us. If you want to get your hands on your own Gothic Beauty box, there is a link in the description down below. Highly recommend checking it out. As always, we hope you enjoyed the video. Let us know in the comments down below what you thought the coolest item in the box was. And until next time, see you in your nightmares.